This is again Francis, my cousin, and AJ, my brother.
Retard.
I made a concoction for them, and they will now read the ingredients.
This is attempt number 2. Okay, in here there's chocolate syrup, maple syrup,
Pretty good.
garlic pepper, seasoning salt, sugar, mayonnaise, vanilla, water,
And
pancake mix.
Just looking at it.
Okay,
And you see what that looks like?
we will
It
get
smells
in.
like chocolate.
Put it down so we can get in a good look at this.
Mine's chunky.
This is what it looks like. And now they will show us their faces while they drink it.
While we drink it? Ready?
Yeah. But if you
Good
need
change.
to puke, it's into the bathtub.
No problem. Good luck.
Good luck.
Have fun.
I'm holding your hat.
Ready?
3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
Pussies.
Jimmy.
Not even puking. Oh, that one was worse, man.
Oh my god.
Hey, just take the cup out, man.
Oh. This is really really gross. Oh, they really are puking. My concoction worked. Yes. So much for that.